Welcome back, Class 4. How are you all? Feeling fresh after unit test or lazy to learn new chapters? I hope you remember we read Stay Away from Illness Unit 3 in our last class. If not, it's okay. We will read the chapter again. Open your books to page number 11. Dear students, this is very important and lengthy unit. This unit requires proper reading and understanding. So today we will read the chapter properly. As I have always said that there can be questions from within the chapters also. So it is very important to read the lesson thoroughly. Please concentrate while I read the chapter. Now let's start reading the lesson. Yes, children, page number 11. Unit 3, Stay Away from Illness. Unit 3, Stay Away from Illness. Start reading along with me. A healthy body plays a very important role in determining the future of a person. If one is not healthy and is always sick, he will not be able to perform his duties and responsibilities well. A student who is sick cannot concentrate on his studies. A teacher who is ill cannot teach well. Move to the next para. The health of our body greatly depends on what we eat. The diagram below represents a balanced diet. It shows how much of what we eat should come from each food group. Children, there are 5 food groups: fruits and vegetables, bread, rice, potato, and other starchy foods, milk and dairy foods, food high in fat, meat, fish, egg, and milk. Turn to page number 12. Healthy rules. 8 health rules. 8 health rules. Number 1. Keep body and surroundings neat and clean. Lack of cleanliness can cause many diseases. Number 2, exercise keeps our body fit. Therefore, make sure we get enough exercise through games, cycling, swimming, jogging, or gardening. Number 3, take control of what we eat. More of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are important for daily healthy life. Number 4, drinking enough water is one of the healthiest things we can do. An average person needs 8 glasses of water a day. There is a definitive connection between being healthy and having a cheerful appearance. So have a smile on face. Number 6, avoid foods that contain large amount of fat. We can control the consumption of fried foods, burgers, and fatty meats. 7, make sure we get enough rest. We should sleep well. It will make us strong enough to carry out different works. Move to next page. Good eating habits. Good eating habits. Never skip breakfast. Never skip breakfast. It is important to have breakfast. A good night's sleep followed by food in the morning helps us to stay active and concentrated at school. Being hungry in the morning hours will affect our performance. Lunchbox suggestions. Number 2, lunchbox suggestions. We can have rice, wheat or sandwiches for lunch. Raw vegetables and fresh fruits also can be included. Avoid processed and fatty food. Chips, biscuits, chocolate bars and soft drinks should be avoided from lunch. Number 3, trendy foods. 3 trendy foods. We will always have a desire to eat trendy foods. We can eat them occasionally, such as at parties, special events, or when rest of the family enjoys them. After school snacks. After school snacks. This afternoon, snacks should be nutritious, not just high in energy. We can have a sandwich with a glass of milk, cereals and fruits, etc. Supper time. Supper time. Supper time is a chance to share and talk about various activities and events of the day. We must avoid distractions such as televisions, radio or telephone. The evening meal should not be very heavy. Children, now I will explain you the chapter that too in a nutshell. Come back to page number 11. So students, here we understand that it is very important to stay healthy so as to study properly and to do all our work properly and on time. So for this we need to have a balanced diet. What does a balanced diet contain? It contains bread, rice, potato and other starchy food, milk and dairy foods, foods high in fat, meat, fish, egg and milk, fruits and vegetables. It contains all these in equal proportion. Children, now turn to page number 12. So here we have to read about 8 healthy rules, which includes keep our surroundings clean, exercise daily, eat a balanced diet, and drink 8 glasses of water a day. If you don't follow this, you will be unfit and suffer from diseases. You should always avoid young and fried foods. Do proper rest and give your body a good sleep of at least 8 hours. All this will help you to be healthy and have a smiling face always. Next is page number 13, good eating habits. Never skip breakfast. It is an important meal of the day. Children, never skip your breakfast. Being hungry in the morning affects your health and daily activities. For the lunch, you should have healthy meal like fruits and vegetables. Avoid chips, biscuits, chocolates, etc. for lunch. Trendy food is your junk food, so you should have them occasionally. This includes all your favorite food like ice cream, pizza, burger, cold drinks, etc. Next is your snack time. What you should have after school? Something that gives you energy to play and study in the evening. So you should have milk, juice, fruits, etc. Last is your supper time. Supper time means dinner time. This should be very light. You should avoid watching television or phones during the supper time. Students, I hope you have understood good eating habits and health rules. You should follow them regularly and keep good health. Read the chapter, and in our next class, we would be doing all the exercises of the chapter. Thank you. Take care.